Look at this amazing M3 Touring, folks. Man, oh man, I wish we had these in America. It looks so good, I want to bite it like a donut. This monster doesn't only look good, but it has been modified to make 700 horsepower. So let's see how this thing does against other cars. First on the menu is an Audi RS6 Avant. Whoa, give that Audi some coffee because it was sleeping on the line. Oh, let them pull want some smoke too. Yeah, not even close. Looks like up next is the mighty and powerful M5 CS. I'm pretty sure that was a false start by the M5. Check out this Audi R8 V10. It looks like a car from Need for Speed. Darn! Looks like the M3 couldn't overtake the R8. Up next is a Porsche 911 Turboless. Can it take on the family wagon? Apparently. Yes, it can. Oh, look! It's a rematch against the R8. You got this M3. Wow, what an amazing reaction time for the M3. All right, here is the finale. Which car will be the champion? Maybe the R8 was tired because that was not even close. Oh, and all the M3 did a good job. I say, why get a sports car when you can get an M3 Touring that is faster, can fit your whole family? Am I right?